Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check Twitter account or X account impression, and all you have to do is to launch your Twitter application. Then you're going to tap on your profile. You're going to tap on your profile again. From there, in the case that you wanted to check your impression, you can check it using the post that you have made on your Twitter account by using this icon that is here. And from there, you're going to see all your impressions here at the X application, as you can see. But in the case that you wanted to check now in general as of your account, all you have to do is to upgrade your X application by going back, tapping on your profile again, and then tapping on premium. From there, you are going to either decide to upgrade it using the basic way, or the premium way, or the premium plus way. And just at the bottom of every upgrade, if let's say for the basic, you're going to see the amount of money that you're going to be paying. As for this one, it is asking for 700 Kenyan shillings. For the premium, is asking for the 1,419, and from the premium plus, it's asking for the 3,800. Now, if you're wondering which one has the option to see now your account analytics, it's by heading on the Premium Plus, and that's where you're going to see the analytics, and it is in this upgrade that you're going to be able to see now how your account is actually doing. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.